Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be recording my science experiment. It's been a while since I recorded anything, so I have to get back in the swing of that. But yeah, so I'm going to go through my steps and show you the experiment I'm doing. What I'm going to be doing is burning various chemicals in a flame and seeing the resulting color change that results. Yep. Anyways, so let's begin. My first step is to be gathering supplies, so that's what I'm going to do. I've got the 3 chemicals that I will be testing today: my potassium chloride, my calcium chloride, and my copper chloride or copper dichloride. I also have my toothpicks. I have 3 per chemical because I will be doing 3 trials per chemical. Yeah, when I do my trial. And I've got the rest of my small materials, glue stick, gloves, those count totally. Focus, good lord. The lighter, metal, concrete surface, which is outside, I can't bring it in here, and tea lights. So yeah, hopefully that works. And I'm going to have an adult with me. I'm just gathering my materials, and now it's to prepare the toothpicks for the chemical. With chemicals. Also, while I'm preparing my chemicals, I'm going to... Okay, well, she's gone now, but either way, just for the record, I'm making sure all pets and animals and siblings, because they count too as an animal, are out of the way so nobody gets hurt, except possibly me, but who cares about that, right? Yeah, so the first part is I'm going to have to take the toothpicks and cover the tips of them with glue stick, and then I'm going to dip them into the chemical. These two look kind of similar, so I'm going to be careful to make sure that they're distinguishable. I'm not directly touching the chemical anyway, so the gloves are more of a just safety precaution, I suppose. I take it, I use the glue stick, cover the end with glue, and I basically just stick it in to the chemical and sugarcoat it evenly. You don't see that. Hopefully it focused onto that. And then that, because that is my potassium chloride, I'm going to set the toothpick right in there. Hopefully I do not roll those around too much. They won't be, I won't let them touch each other. That's my little thing. So now I just have to wait for it to get a little darker outside, and then while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to write down the rest of my procedures and just explain basically what I'm going to be doing exactly. So my 2 ways of measuring this will be a qualitative measurement, which will be, I will print out a color scheme, which will, you know what, let me do that right now, I'll show you. Okay, this, oh my gosh, this is my color scheme. I've got it on a scale of 1 to 10. It's my qualitative data, and then I have my quantitative data, which I'm going to be using a thermometer. I already reset it so that, you know, the ice bath thingy or whatever, where you stick it in there and then, yeah, I might have to do that again. But yeah, I guess it's time to move my stuff out there now, so alright, go look at these procedures. They look so beautiful. The handwriting less so, but the content. Alright, we're outside. It's not that dark yet, but it's dark enough for me to do this because I still need to write down data. So I'm going to need to do that. And I've got my color scheme. Okay, so the first chemical I will be using is the potassium chloride. Temperature I get. Hopefully the temperature is not affected too much by the coldness out here, but I will have to think about that in the... now for calcium. My fingers. Aha! Look at that. Beautiful. It's blue, like 6, right on the 6. That was pretty cool. I got plenty of data that I can use, and that's basically it for the science experiment, and hopefully that was fun to watch. Boy. As you might have seen on the community posts now talking about future videos, I'm in the process of making a short film using my siblings. I'm hoping that it goes okay because it might not look the best quality, but for the first one, I want to get some practice in that, especially since that's the kind of future I'm interested in. Alright, well, that's it, and what should I do for my next video? Actually, I already know. I'm going to be making a Corpse Bride costume, showing you guys makeup tutorial, and playing the song that somebody plays on the piano from the movie, because I love that movie, and if you like that movie too, then you'll definitely want to watch that, so like and subscribe.